What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we'll be drawing Lego Batman. Let's begin today's lesson. In the center page we're going to draw two angled lines coming down from the center. Let's start right in the middle, come down and out toward the left, and then right side. I'm just going to angle the eye, going up and then out towards the top, go to the right side and do the same thing. Let's tuck the eyes in underneath. From the end we're going to step in, curve around, and then up on the inside. Let's go to the outside of the brow, draw a straight angled line coming down the side. I just want to curve this down underneath the eye and just pull that in towards the inside. Just fill that trim in black. Now let's go back to that center point, draw a straight line coming all the way down towards the tip of the nose. I'm just going to angle this up and out. Start with the left side, going up and then out towards the side. Go back to the center, go up and out towards the right. Now I'm going to draw two straight lines coming down to right about there. Now connect the ends with a curve, coming down and then up. Let's move to the center and draw in the mouth. On the left side, bend this up and then down. Go to the center, draw a short line going across the lip. Let's add a thick trim along the bottom. From the left side, we're going to step all the way out, follow that same curve, coming underneath the head and up towards the right. Now from here, we'll draw two straight lines going all the way up the side of the head. So we'll start to the left to right about there. Do the same thing on the right. Now I want to bend the ears up towards the top. So go back to the left side. We're going to go up and gradually bend that in. From the top, draw a straight line coming down towards the top of the head. Now we're going to close off the head with a curve going up the middle and back down towards the right. Now I want to draw the inside bevel of the ears. Let's start from the tip, angle this down and then in. Now with the head complete, let's leave a gap along the bottom and draw the top edge of the body. Starting on the left, draw a straight line going across. Now I want to angle the body, coming down and out towards the hips. Flatten off the bottom with a straight line. Now let's connect the head to the body with two lines, one coming down on the left and then one on the right. Let's go to the bottom, step up, draw a straight line going across the belt. In the center, I'm going to leave a gap, draw two lines on either side for the buckle. Move out towards the side, draw two lines side by side. Now in the center of the body, let's draw an oval for that symbol. Starting from the top center, going around, in across the bottom, and then back up towards the top. On the side of the body, let's add a curve, coming down and in for the edge of the chest. Let's simplify that bat symbol in the middle. We're going to start at the very top of the curve, coming down and up, come down from the left and up towards the top. Do the same thing on the right. Now we want to trace the side of the oval along the inside, going around and then in. Let's add a curve from the left side, going up and then down in the center, go up and then down from the right. Now I want to fill that bat symbol in black. Let's go back down to the hips. We're going to draw the barrel going out and then in. And we'll flatten off the bottom. Now I want to leave a small gap in the center and draw two lines coming down. So on the left side, come all the way down towards the bottom of the feet. Go to the right side and do the same thing. Let's go to the outside corner of the barrel, draw another straight line, just going to line this up. And then we'll flatten off the bottom of the feet. Let's move up and draw the top of the foot with a straight line. And you want to add that edge of the boot. So right in the middle, start with a point, bend this down and out towards the left and right side. Let's do the same thing on the right. Inside this rectangle, add a point, come down and out. Let's go to the inside corner of the barrel. We're going to draw the edge of the shorts. We're going to bend this up and then out towards the side. Now let's go back up and draw on the arms. We're going to start halfway down the side of the body, bend the arm going out, and then down towards the wrist. From the wrist, let's round out the arm, going out and then up towards the outside. And I want to follow that same curve, going up. I'm just going to bend that in towards the top corner of the body. Let's tuck the hands in underneath the wrist. On the left side, we're going to draw the outside of a circle, coming around and in. I want to leave a gap in the center, continue along the inside, and then back up. Let's round out the inside of the hands. I'm just going to trace that circle along the inside. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now let's layer the cape in behind the body. We're going to start from the base of the neck, going up around the arm, and then down towards the outside. Let's go to the right. Do the same thing, going up around the arm, and bring that down towards the same height. Now I'm going to add a couple points along the bottom of the cape. So let's start on the left. We're going to go up, bring that down towards the side of the leg. Go back to the left side, bend this up and in towards the leg. Round up the center and come down towards the right. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. There's a drawing of Lego Batman. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you again soon.